peas in. Do you mind stirring this up?
I would love to.
And I'm gonna get some noodles out of the pantry here, and my lychee, some thyme.
Oh, it smells good.
It's just, you know what? It's onions, a little bit of salt and pepper.
How come you didn't cry when you cut the onions?
I have these special tear ducts. No, not at all. All right, I'm just gonna sprinkle over some of my dried thyme, whole leaf. All right, so I've got my water, it's salted, it's boiling. I'm gonna get my egg noodles in and cook them till they're al dente, like you said. So right now what I'm doing is I'm building up some flavor. Remember the cremini or the button mushrooms that we put in there?
Yes.
Our baby bellas. Sliced them up, put some thyme in there, a little bit of salt and pepper and some butter and a little bit of olive oil as well. And then we just went ahead and got them nice and tender, and it's a good time to add in some flour. Onions are in there as well. Now, the flour is going to help thicken it, of course. It's going to tighten it up, add a little bit of body to it before I hit it with the cream. And the good old yummy broth that's going to go in here. Chicken broth, of course, but if you don't have chicken broth, you can do vegetable broth. All right, in with the mushrooms and the flour is my twist, horseradish. This is going to give it a little...
Because you got the creaminess and then the horseradish type bite? Is that what you're looking for?
You are in there. You know exactly what I'm talking about.
And it's not enough horseradish to lose the whole dish?
It's not enough to lose the whole dish, the whole flavor. It's not going to make your nose hairs singe or anything like that. It's just going to add that little bit of something. Kind of like a little pinch of salt in a good chocolate chip cookie. It's going to be like, what is that that's making this everything right? You know what I mean? And that's what it's going to do. All right, so I got my egg noodles all drained out, al dente. Make sure they are nice and to the tooth. And then to my pan right here, I'm gonna add in some of my chicken stock. It's a good time to do that because the flour is kind of cooked out, the flavor. You'll know it's right when it looks really gummy on your vegetables. And then I'm just gonna add that stock. And this is gonna thicken up really quick for us. And then I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of that heavy cream. And that's gonna bring it to the nice cream of mushroom texture that we're used to without all the preservatives. Right into the tuna noodle casserole is the egg noodles, nice and al dente. And then behind your back, I didn't show you, but I got the green peas in here. They're frozen, the frosted, thawed, all that good stuff. We tasted it, pretty good.
Yeah, it's
we don't need any salt.
Nope.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and stir this up, but you know what I really need to do is get the tuna in. And then, hey Anthony, do you wanna shred up some cheese with me too?
All of it?
I'd say about a cup and a half or so. I'll let you know.
What are you thinking?
That's perfect.
That's it?
Oh, good, good, good. All right, I'm gonna get this in here, and I'm just gonna stir everything together. Yeah, bring that over, baby. This is gonna help it be nice and creamy.
Yeah, it looks great.
Along with the heavy cream in here.
Looks great.
Got the chicken stock.
Yum.
Hey, do you want to stir this up for me really quick? And then I'm gonna wow you with a bread topping.
How can you do that, Sonny?
Well, it's very simple. You know, I hate to take credit for it, but it's just panko crumbs, a little bit of olive oil, and some salt. That's gonna go right over the top of this. I'm gonna get this into the oven, 375 degrees. It's only gonna take 35 minutes. A little bit of olive oil. I'm going to reach in here really quick.
That really does look good.
Right? It looks good, bro.
Yes.
Thank
I'm
you.
gonna get this into the oven. And here is
So turn on the lights.
That smells delicious, Sonny. Sonny, this is delicious.
You like it?
Very good.
Thank you.